To go. To go. Aller. Let's go together. Let's go together. Allons-y ensemble. To know. To know. Savoir. You have to know it. You have to know it. Tu dois le savoir. To take. To take. Prendre. He takes a book. He takes a book. Il prend un livre. To see. To see. Voir. I see a bird. I see a bird. Je vois un oiseau. To come. To come. Venir. Come here. Come here. Viens ici. To think. To think. Penser. I think it's nice. I think it's nice. Je pense que c'est sympa. To look. To look. Regarder. He looks at me. He looks at me. Il me regarde. To want. To want. Vouloir. I want to see you. I want to see you. Je vais te voir. To use. To use. Utiliser. We use a pen. We use a pen. Nous utilisons un stylo. To find. To find. Trouver. He finds a job. He finds a job. Il trouve un travail. To give. To give. Donner. I give him a gift. I give him a gift. Je lui donne un cadeau. To tell. To tell. Raconter. She tells a story. She tells a story. Elle raconte une histoire. To work. To work. Travailler. You work hard. You work hard. Vous travaillez dur. To call. To call. Appeler. I called my friend. I called my friend. J'appelle mon ami.